Hi, I'm Cindy Cisneros, creativity coach and owner of Creatively LLC, and I want to talk to you about how to do a marketing strategy. Now, for me, this had one of the steepest learning curves, but that doesn't mean that this is going to be the case for you. So in the longer video, we're going to go over what a marketing strategy is, the different sections of what a marketing strategy has in it, and then we're going to talk about the specific components of a marketing plan. Now, a marketing plan is a little bit different because in a marketing plan, there's going to be specific marketing channels that you may want to choose as part of your marketing strategy, key activities that you may use for each marketing channel, and how this may relate back to important business goals that you set up in your business plan. So if this sounds like something you're ready to dive into, then look at the longer video, get out your pen and paper, and if you want to see the worksheets and the written articles to go with it, because I think learning is best when you're listening and looking, then make sure that you're subscribed to the Business Basics courses where you're going to see a lot of this laid out in writing and you can look as you listen. Let's get to work.